Your mother ever tell you how we met?
No?
She used to work at this coffee shop that closed down a few years ago. I used to get my hair cut right across the street. I go in, I order me a bagel or whatever, but I'm still not sure how I'ma kick it to her. And ended up telling her the truth. That she was the most beautiful woman that I ever seen.
Were you nervous?
I just felt like she should know. But some told me to go back, right? This is when I had my other bite. A few days later, I said, let me take you for a ride. We've been rocking ever since. Tell you, don't get caught up in none of the that you see around here.
Have I ever?
Took me too long to learn that. I don't want to see you fall into the same traps of me and your mother. I want you to make better choices than me when it comes to her, when it comes to everything.